Hey, welcome to Cooking with Rangerrob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe, then click on the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. This video is made possible by Rangerrob Poopy Bags, available on Amazon right now.
Hello guys, this is Rob and this is Outdoor Travel Channel, and today is Traeger Day. And today, you know what we're making? Bacon wrapped onion balls. Yeah, does that sound great? So we're using yellow onions. We're doing wrapped bacon. We're not going to use toothpicks this time. We're going to slow cook them at around 250 to 275 in the Traeger. And I also wanted to show you a new product that I got from one of our patrons. And they're little magnets with the different kinds of pellets or flavors that we're using in our pellets. Today I'm cooking with hickory. So what I did is I put the little hickory magnet right by my thermometer there, so you can kind of see what I'm cooking with. So it's a good reminder, and it's really good to show, especially if you're making videos, what flavors you're using. And if you're having company over and stuff, I think it's kind of cool. So anyway, these are available on our Traeger group. So in our description, just go down to a couple lines down, you'll see a link directly to our group. And you can purchase these for a whole set for $20 from one of our patrons. So there you go. So let's get to cooking.
First thing we're going to do is get 2 medium-sized yellow onions. We're going to cut the ends off. And then we're going to put a slit right through the center so we can take the layers off and make balls out of them. Now we grabbed a pound of hamburger, is 83% as far as lean, and we're going to start adding ingredients to it in a bowl. First we're going to chop up our leftover onions. Then we had some jalapenos that we grew in the garden, serrano and a jalapeno, and the serranos are kind of hot, so we didn't do very much. We're also adding holy cow rub, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Now we're adding our minced garlic, then our peppers, and then our chopped up onions are going to come in next. So we're going to add our smoked paprika. Just flavor your hamburger the way you like it. Then our holy cow rub, which goes good on everything. Then we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Add a little bit of salt, and we're ready to go. So let's start mixing this up with a utensil and find out this really sucks. So let's do it by hand, because it's going to work a lot easier this way. Yep, just dive on in there and mix it all up. Time to make sure you got your bacon ready. Here's the fun part. Now just start stuffing these onions with your hamburger and get them nice and round and kind of turn them into little tennis balls. Here's what we've all been waiting for, adding the bacon. Yes, you cannot go wrong with bacon. So we wrapped all these, and we're not showing you the whole thing. It takes a little while, but we didn't use toothpicks because when you cook them, they'll shrink around the balls. So these puppies are ready to go. So it's time to go up to the Traeger, set up the Traeger at 275. We're using hickory, and time to start cooking.
Alright guys, we're going to take a sneak peek, see how it's going. they're sizzling away. I'm gonna monitor the center temperature of the meat with this here, and I'm shooting for 145 on up.
So I grabbed one of these bowls to test it and open it up and see how well they cooked. And I opened it up and look at that. It was absolutely perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. So this was our finished product. It looked delicious. So we made a nice salad. And I thought I'd grab the biggest one there, cut it open for you to see, and take a look at this. You will not believe how perfect these things came out. Cooked perfect. They're delicious, they're great with barbecue sauce, they're very filling, and we loved it. Hey, thank you for watching our Traeger Day video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. And don't forget to visit our Traeger group.